Unit 2. The uses of globe. Time to warm up. Can this ant see the world of the ball at once? Time to know. Raju is a good football player. One day, he saw a little ant climbing onto his football. He was excited to see the ant climbing the ball. The ant is trying to see the whole ball at once. Can it see the whole ball at once? No. Similarly, the earth is so large that we cannot see all of it at once. A model of the earth helps us to see what the whole earth looks like. A globe is a better model of the earth than a flat map. That is because the earth is a sphere like a ball. So, a sphere is more like the earth than a flat piece of paper. Look at the globe. You can make it spin around and around. Why? Because the earth itself spins around and around. Why don't we get dizzy? Because we are used to the earth's motion. It has been spinning around since it first formed. Ever since you were born, you have been riding on a spinning earth in space. Earth spins or rotates on its axis. You can see the axis on a globe. It is the metal piece or pole that runs through the globe from top to bottom. On the earth, the axis is just an imaginary line. It is the line around which the earth rotates or spins. The top of the axis is the North Pole. The bottom of the axis is the South Pole. Continents and oceans. If we look at a globe or simple map of the world, the first thing we notice is that it has two different colors. These colors are usually green and blue like the globe above. The green area is land and the blue area is water. One way to look at the world is by looking at the globe. A globe is a round model of the earth. By looking at a globe and spinning it around, we can see all the areas of land and water in scale, so they are exactly true to their real shapes and sizes. We cannot, however, see the entire world at the same time. We cannot see what is on the back of the globe while we are looking at the front. This is one disadvantage of using a globe. Continents on the globe. The land part on the globe is shown in brown color. It is about 30% of the Earth's surface. The water part is shown in blue color. It is about 70% of the Earth's surface. Large water bodies are called oceans. Large land bodies are continents. The top end of the Earth is called the North Pole. The bottom end of the Earth is called the South Pole. There are 7 continents. They are 1. Asia, 2. Africa, 3. Europe, 4. North America, 5th. South America, 6th. Australia, 7th. Antarctica. There are 4 oceans in the world. They are 1. The Pacific Ocean, 2. The Atlantic Ocean, 3. The Indian Ocean, 4. The Arctic Ocean. Fact Finder. The largest continent is Asia. The smallest continent is Australia. The largest ocean is the Pacific. The smallest ocean is the Arctic. Maps. Maps show a part or the whole of a place on the earth in detail. A number of symbols and different colors are used to show various places. A drawing of the earth on a flat surface is called a map. The following is a list of each major map type used by geographers and a description of what they are and an example of each kind. Political map. A political map does not show any topographic features. It instead focuses solely on the state and national boundaries of a place. They are also include the locations of cities. Physical map. A physical map is one that shows the physical landscape features of a place. They generally show things like mountains, rivers, and lakes, and water is always shown with blue. Mountains and elevation changes are usually shown with different colors and shades to show relief. Low elevation coastal regions are shown in dark green, while the higher elevations transition from orange to dark brown. Rivers are shown in blue. Climate map. A climate map shows information about the climate of an area. They can show things like the specific climatic zones of an area based on the temperature, the amount of snow an area receives, or average number of cloudy days. These maps normally use colors to show different climatic areas. Road map. A road map is one of the most widely used map types. These maps show major and minor highways and roads depending on detail, as well as things like airports, city locations, and points of interest like parks, campgrounds, and monuments. Major highways on a road map are generally red and larger than other roads, while minor roads are a lighter color and a narrower line.